huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
Yo, this is what they saying. How the fuck you be playing, wasting time on the mic, man? You straight be delaying. Niggas be wondering, bitches be whispering. Everybody saying, man, he think he got a gift, huh? What the cause? Everybody trying to chop off my fucking balls like shit. What the cause? I'm trying to count this money, motherfucker, count shows. People playing games and these bitches saying names. Is he grow? Is he fame? Is he even still the same? Claiming lost boys, but we never seen him main. Out on cover, now on album when he get the chance to hang. Like, damn, 1 3 4. Niggas acting like I never been through them doors. Moved uptown and I rocked a little red. Niggas asking if I'm raw cause I'm out in Hempstead. Like, shit, who are you? Entourage member or part of the crew? EMG or LOST? At the end of the day, man, who the fuck you be? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What?
Yo, started out with nothing, then I turned myself to something. Everybody wanna claim a nigga when they hear you buzzing. Don't nobody wanna claim you when they hear you bugging. Not known to tell stories, not known for frontin'. Shit, I live that true life, some would say that blue life. My other motherfuckers scream Sue day and night. I'm just in the game, trying to get this money made. Niggas want problems, well, I can make them letters rain. With that AK, boy, leave you where you lay, boy. Known to get money, not known to fucking play, boy. Life too short and these worlds too sweet for me not to eat, man. Nigga, where you be? Everybody question me and my motherfucking crew. Heard you with Noah, did he sell weight too? Heard he put you on, are you the weakling, got the crew? People wanna know who the fuck are you?
How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What? How you feel, huh?
This is what they saying.
What?
Switched up from cuffs, now you tryna grab a mic. Everybody think they gangsta, everybody think they hype. Heard you had bread, yo, let me hold a rack. Niggas be front, man, I'm tryna see that. What's good with Mel, man, what's good with Nate? Heard they still going behind that great steel gate. Chillin' with ball, man, what be your aim? And do your wife love the fact you up in the game? Seen you with some girls, man, is you hitting that? And if so, family, how was the Kit Kat? Got a screw face, what that grill be about? Or will you air a nigga, or you talk it out? Seen a lot of come, man, I seen a lot of go. What make you different from all the other flows? Everybody claiming that they from these real ass streets. Nigga, all we wanna know, who the fuck you be?
How you feel, huh?